Fortunately, our Mayor's Fund for Los Angeles, which I know sounds like it's something in City Hall, but it's a 501c3 nonprofit, not controlled by me and not in City Hall.
今聞いてもらっているのは LA シティが毎日午後5時15分からコロナウイルスに関してのアップデート情報を発表している模様ですが、市長のガルスティさんが重大な発表を4月13日のこの会見の中で行っています。
Was able to partner with a national nonprofit organization that I also helped create, Accelerator for America, and MasterCard's City Possible Network to create the Angelino Card Initiative. Angelino cards are very simple. No-fee debit cards that provide cash assistance to families here and individuals in Los Angeles who need the help. Your household is eligible as an individual to get $700, $1,100, or $1,500, depending on your income and household size, if you meet 3 criteria. If you live in the city of Los Angeles. Second, if your family's total annual income had fallen beneath the federal poverty line prior to the COVID-19 crisis. And third, you and your family have fallen into deeper economic hardship during the crisis because at least one family member has lost their job or experienced a reduction in income of at least 50%. You can apply online. We know that there will be more demand than money, but I'm committed to every single day picking up the phone and still calling more. And I hope folks out there that can help will continue to help us, because just as we did with the grocery cards that in 4 or 5 days were gone, we know that this will be gone too, and we need to keep getting these cards out to people who need our help now. But you can sign up at HCID.LAcity.org anytime between 8:30 a.m. Tuesday and 4:30 p.m. on Thursday. And if you don't have access to the internet, you can call. We wanted to make it fair for folks who don't have an internet connection and who rely on a phone, that they wouldn't have everything taken by those who have access to the internet. So for both the phone and internet, it's from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. starting tomorrow, and you can call 213-252-3040 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So that's tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. But please only call if you don't have internet access, so we can make sure that people without internet access can get through. And I'd like to thank the staff of our HCID department, our Housing Community Investment Department, and our Family Source Centers, which have been there for years for LA City residents, for providing critical support for Angelinos in need. Those who pre-qualify based on their online or telephone applications will be given an in-person appointment at a designated community center. And please know that these centers can't help anybody without an appointment. So that's to keep our workers safe and to maintain a safe social distance. We can't accept walk-ins. So please go through the online or phone call system, get an appointment, and come on in. And please know that applicants will not be asked anything about their immigration status, nor will immigration status be considered in determining eligibility, because we're all in this together. We are all Angelinos. And I hope that our federal government will listen to that too. Those who are cleaning our hospitals, those who are picking our food, those who are working in our warehouses, it doesn't matter what their legal status is today. They are here as Angelinos, and we will help them no matter what. To be clear, this initiative is funded entirely through private and foundation donations. It's not a city program, and any assistance through this fund is not considered a public benefit, so it's not subject to any public charge rule from the federal government that might scare some away. You are safe, don't have any fear. Please, if you need help, reach out. And households may be eligible regardless of whether workers within them earn W-2 or 1099 income, were or are otherwise independently employed as domestic workers, day laborers, or street vendors, For example, if you are a seasonal worker in agriculture or tourism, and households currently receiving public benefits, including unemployment, are not disqualified if income requirements are met. The Mayor's Fund, Accelerator for America, and MasterCard City Possible Network specifically designed the Angelino card to help Angelinos that are overlooked by other federal cash grants, as well as the unbanked or other populations who we know might be left behind if we didn't step up. And I want to say thank you to this partnership for creating a solution for how to physically distribute financial assistance and serve those ineligible for federal aid. We will remember you and thank you. And with applications opening tomorrow, we will get debit cards in people's hands beginning 1 week from tonight. The number of people we'll be able to help, that depends on all of us. I've certainly donated. I hope all of you will consider donating. Amounts from $5 to $10 to as high as $2 million. We've had people step up all around the city. And due to limited resources, if the number of qualified individuals exceeds the number of available cards, Angelino card recipients will be randomly selected from among the qualified individuals for this round, and folks will be kept in that list for hopefully future rounds as well. If more donations, fortunately, our Mayor's Fund for Los Angeles, which I know sounds like it's something in City Hall, but it's a 501c3 nonprofit, not controlled by me and not in City Hall.
はい、ということで、ここで言ってるのはこのアンジェリーノカードというのを発行するということです。臨時にこのカードを発行するんですが、4月13日発表されてからその翌日の4月14日から16日までの朝8時半から午後4時半までの間にアプリケーションを提出しないといけないということで、これはアメリカ市民だけでなくどんなリーガルステータスでもアプリケーションを提出することができるということで、どちらにしろ低収入の家庭に配布したいというカードなので、1人の1年間の収入が$12,400までというふうに決まっています。で、1人から2名の初対の場合は$700、3名から4名の場合は$1,100で、12名までの一家の家族の場合は$1,500まで、カードを支払うということで、13日から1週間後にはもうこのカードが配布されるということで、3つの条件が合えば、この収入プラスロサンゼルスに住んでいるなどの条件が合えば、すぐにでもアポを取って、カードが手に入るというものです。で、このサイトですけど hcidla.lsd.org、今日試しにこのサイトに行ってみたらもうすでにダウンしてました。で、オンラインが基本はオンラインでの申請だそうですけども、ハウジングコミュニティインベストメントデパートメントのこのサイトに行けない人は電話をかけてもいいということでした。で、ロサンゼルス市内だけかと思ったら、この下の方に、ロサンゼルス近隣ということで、例えばこの辺りは南部サウスベイエリアの、トーランスの辺りになっていると思うので、必ずしもロサンゼルスだけではないということです。ということで、あと、ガルシア市長が言っていたのは、そうですね、これは市が直接行っているというよりは、市とパートナーを組んだ NPO の財団がいて、そこからマスターカードを発行してもらうようになるんですけども、これはですね、皆さんの個人個人の寄付金から成り立っているということで、例えば$5でも$10でも金額に関係なく寄付金も同時に集めているということを言っていました。